Ka Jingangnud ki Paidbah ban Kyntiew ka danno ya ka Byrnihat PHC sya ka CHC kalawan ban Urlong no hinin kesngi kata hadirin ba konrat sangma menteri rang ba ka jela ulayar si Byrnihat ban bu yo mau nong rem na ka benta ban Kyntiew ka danno ya ka te ka PHC sya ka CHC lemba jong ka te kesngi ba menteri rang ba ulayar hi daladi ban bu yo te mau nong rem kalapin kemen ya ki Paidbah ka than Byrnihat bat kumjuru ya ki nong yalam sinong namal ka ba kila angnut las lemba kalawan ban Urlong bat ka wanra ya kajing kermen banang ni syakmat kinseyo ya kajing sumar ki papaka lalu ban kedau hang ni ba ka Byrnihat PHC kadai kawai na kijaka sumar ka badon kam ha ka ba kala ajing syakri ya kumbasan po hajar ngut ki Paidbah jong kate ka than ban narol kata hapo kate kijaka sumar ki dan shibun ki basa ha kaliang ka asam ki bajuan pha sumar yala de ha kate ka PHC kumba kalong menta hapo ka kedan PHC kate kijaka sumar kadam don tang si phau jinthia henre habala Kyntiew syak kedan CHC on sebu lai pho kijaka thia nongpang ban narol kata kajing don ki doctor bat ki nursu on penbon.
Every constituency has got different issues, and hence it is not always possible for government to resolve every single issue of every single constituency because resources are limited. But in the last 4.5 years, and if you were to minus COVID, that would leave us only with 2.5 years. The amount of dedication and hard work that your MLA and this government has put in, we have seen large changes and development works that have come to Jingangnud constituency. And when I say that, I'm not saying it's enough. There is miles to go. Lot of projects and works to be done. But I think we are on the right track. I think the process of bringing a change for the people of Jingangnud and the people of our state has started, and we are moving in the right direction. We are seeing the changes that are taking place in simply the way the departments function today. We have many departments and a lot of resources and funds used to go in, still go in. But we are seeing that even though the amounts may have increased by certain percentage, but the implication of that at the grassroots level is much more compared to the level of investment that is increased.
Wala siya ban simpia nagbanta jongi ban pentros ban penpoy ki project ibala jantot siya ka South Park Road nagbanta ka constituency ka jungi Kerpang ka bahati way pa kisnem hati way pa ki board ki balalay Yem yoi yaki projects bakin one aka constituency kajungi. I remember the first time I stood up and delivered a speech in the assembly. And I remember, sir, that I spoke about the border areas which other governments they have not turned up to the people of borders, to the areas of borders. And I spoke on my first speech requesting our present government, leading by the National People's Party under the leadership of Sakotlat Kisama, that people in the borders they are facing problems with regards to development, which other governments in the previous governments they have not turned up. And I'm very thankful to this government, especially to our noble Chief Minister. From then onwards, in the last 4.5 years, we have seen that many happenings in the border areas.
Habay day bakatay ka Kyntiew ka dan ya ka Byrnihat PHC sa ka CHC kiriw Paidbah bat kinong ilam sinong nakatay ka than kila ay ka jingkublay ka bakirpang ya ka sarkar jila bat kamtam ya ukonat ki sangma nalor kata kila ay ru ka jingkublay ka bakirpang ya uba eswatun MLA jirang ubalala ban pun Urlong ya katay ka Jingangnud ki Paidbah.
I penpau ke jing sokmen ke bakrau tu kata-kata ba hadin ke jing pi unti ke jungi jing dawa jungi na we ke por shwe ke por na bagi sorkar ba phero pher ke la lek wa sidin rei kim pat shem la urlong jing dawa jungi de ki pau nam ke la lek wa sidin ba hadu ke ne ke sgi ke bamtang I penpau ke jing songu ke bakrau khatam yo play bu nang thau jungi ba ke ne ke sgi ya ke ba Chief Minister Badan Burom Juni Shri Konrad K. Sangma dilawan baniu kejat akane ka than jungi akane ka Byrnihat jungi ya ka ban penkiu kerdan no ya kane ka PSC syaka CHC ban upgrade no ya ka nang ba kalong ka jingmentoi la manta jongene ka than hi jungi bro koi amar ba kane ka PSC ka ba ngidot manta kalong ka baduna jing thia baduna ki doctors ki nurse bat ki lat jing sumar ki sibun ki jing duna nrei menta habala penkiu pat syaka CHC along ki jing kmen ka bakrau namta jungi hi we pe we jongane ka than Byrnihat mar bakane ka PSC bro shikata ka kobar hadu si sauspa tam kishno nrei menta pat isokmen ka bakrau lomba kane ka CHC kabala upgrade mai kanirap sibun na kumta hi jong we ku we nong snong ba ha banwan sumar akaneka CFC mar boros kata ya mitenti benelek senongpo sakwati remta nangisman nikmi inti ba parokhot kanlong bait hangni nam ta kinong snong we.
It is a very lucky moment for us to receive this kind of to upgrade this PSC to CHC by our sitting Chief Minister Konrad Sangma through our MLA, because our MLA worked very hard. Though he was in NGO, but still he has given the promise. He has promised to uplift this PHC to CHC. Then same time, after he become MLA, but he has fulfilled our promise. Then today we are lucky that our Chief Minister had inaugurated this PHC to CHC, and we are very thankful for our MLA plus Chief Minister. Long live for our NPP.